Yo, everybody. Hey, Simeon here with Aim Higher Photography. Hey, guys, today I want to talk to you guys about my Nikon Z7 II and my journey into photography. Years ago, guys, I used to have a Nikon D3300. It was actually my wife's camera that I got for her many years ago. And when I bought it at Best Buy, oh my gosh, I thought I was doing something. I was like, oh yeah, we don't have to use the phone no more or anything like that. I thought I was on top of the world. I was like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, we loved it. We didn't know what we didn't know, right? So we took it out. We thought we was getting excellent quality pictures. And you know what? For what it was, they were great. They were really great pictures. I don't regret it at all. The whole time that I did have the camera, and I say the whole time I had the camera because I used it more than she did, I stayed in automatic mode. I didn't know the difference between the M, the S, and the A and all that kind of stuff. It wasn't until I bought the Z9, which is actually this camera right here, that I started to get into and started to understand the camera system a lot more. So, I watched YouTube videos and more YouTube videos. I went out and practiced and did everything. I mean, stayed up late. It's like, my mind was just always going, trying to figure out how I can get better and better. So yeah, I got the Z9 and then upgrade her to the Nikon Z7 II, which later would become my camera. And this is it, guys. This is an excellent camera. I love my Nikon Z7 II. It pretty much has everything that I need on it. As you can see, it has a small rig VB99 Pro battery. It has a GoPro Hero 12 in the front. I have the Atomos Shinobi 2 screen. Guys, this is just an excellent, it's just an excellent rig. There's a DJI mic here for me right here on the backhand side. And then when I flip it, I have another one, another DJI mic right here. Guys, it's a lightweight camera. I actually weighed it without the lens on here. It weighs about 6 pounds. I just weighed it completely like this and it weighed like 7 3/4 pounds, right? Or almost 3,400 grams. Guys, I love this camera. Pros and cons. I'm gonna just get right into it about this particular camera. The pros, it's a lightweight camera, 45 megapixels. It does everything I need it to do. Low light, no, it's not great. But for me, the workaround with that is I always shoot primes when I have this camera. I have a 24-70 f2.8. I have a 70-200 2.8. Those are great lenses, but they do not handle well on this low light Nikon Z7 II. Okay, yeah, all the time, even outside, I do not like the 24-70 or the 70-200 on the Nikon Z7 II. I only shoot with prime lenses. Yeah, but guys, as you can see, it's a lightweight lens. I love it. It's just something I can just quickly grab and just go and get some real nice pictures. 45 megapixels. It has everything that I need it to have. Guys, look at this. It is a beautiful lightweight setup. I decorated it all with the Condor blue cables. And the reason I went with that is because I was looking here one day and I noticed that the GoPro was in blue. I said, you know what? Let me try to find some cables. And then I saw one cable and then I added another and another. So yeah, I have a D-Tap, which powers the GoPro. I have a USB-C that powers the Nikon Z7 II battery. And I have another DC port here that powers the Atomos Shinobi 2. And this small rig VB battery comes in great. So when I get ready to go out the next day, perfect. Everything is good. I never run out of battery. It's almost impossible for me to run out of battery just taking pictures and stuff like that. Let me show you some of my settings that I have on here. So yeah, this is my room here. Focus right there. Take a picture. See if it's going to come up. Are we in replay mode? No, we're not. Guys, look at the quality of that. That's an excellent quality, guys. Excellent quality. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Perfect. So guys, we're just going to quickly go over some of the things that I have set up, okay? Image review, right now it's on. All right, I can go in there and turn that off, okay? Sometimes I do not want to see the picture right after I take it. I just want to keep going, all right? This is not the fastest camera out there by Nikon, so having on image review slows it down even more because it has to process it. It has to show it to me back on the monitor. It's a lot going on. So yeah, I fluctuate between having it on and off, okay? Let's go into the photo shooting menu. All right, storage folder, Nikon Z7 II, file name is AIM, primary slot selection is SD, okay? Secondary slot selection is RAW, okay? And I'm gonna tell you guys how I actually end up switching that. So guys, my primary card is actually the SD card. The reason I do that is because if you look here, it says secondary slot selection. It has RAW plus JPEG. You cannot make it JPEG plus RAW, okay? So what I do, I'm not really into shooting shooting raw. So guys, right here, my primary slot selection is SD, okay? My secondary slot selection says raw plus JPEG. So what I did, guys, I made my primary be my SD card, not my CF Express Type B card. The reason being is because when it says raw plus JPEG, you cannot switch it to JPEG plus raw, right? So your raw file is going to go to that first card, which in this case would be the CF Express Type B, and the JPEG would go to the SD card. Because I am not a raw shooter, I want my JPEG to actually go to my CF Express Type B card, and I want my raw to go to my SD card. Image area, full frame FX. Image quality, raw plus JPEG, fine. ISO, let's see what my ISO is. The lowest is 64, and I try to go up to no more than 6400. I like that pretty much across the board on all of my cameras. My white balance is set for auto 2, portrait mode, auto area with face detection. All right, same thing, file name, aim. Destination is going to shoot to my CF Express Type B card. I'm shooting 4K 60. ISO, once again, 6400 max. Picture control is portrait. Focus mode, AFF. So yeah, focus mode, guys, is full-time autofocus. Auto area with face detection. Once again, that's some menu settings. We're not gonna, let's just scroll over. I'm gonna see if anything stands out. All right, if you guys just want to look at some of the settings that I have, this is just some of the stuff that I have. Pause it, take a picture, yada 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 yada. Going here to the setup menu, here format SD card. Monitor brightness is +5, guys. But I love my Nikon Z7 II. This is such a simple, user-friendly camera system. Retouch, I really don't go in here pretty much ever. These are my menu settings, so I can always, save them, format the memory card if I want to go silent. These are just things I want to get to quickly. Silent photography, Wi-Fi, image comment, image review, battery. I want to see I always want to know how, much battery I have left. Right now it's at 100%. I just charged it up. I want to do a slideshow, and you can add more or remove them. But yeah, guys, this is an excellent camera. I just love it. I mean, it has everything I need. With the GoPro, I can shoot video and be taking pictures, at the same time. So, oh yeah, guys, and this particular lens is the 35 1.8. I go back and forth between the 50 and the 35, really depending on what I'm doing. But usually that's about it. The 35 and the 50. I can put an 85 on here, or I may take the 85 if I was to take the 35. If we're out and about, during the daytime, and I want to get some landscape in the shot, I may have the 35, and then later on that evening or something like that, we want to shoot some family pictures and stuff like that, I may throw the 85 on here, but not so often. Usually the 50 is my everything camera for this here particular camera. It's just it can do everything, guys. I just love it. Yeah, I just love it. The dual, it has the 2 cards on it here. You have a, turn the camera off, make sure. Got the CF Express Type B card. You have an SD card. CF Express Type B, I have the 512 SanDisk. Here's the SD card. Once again, also 512. Guys, whenever you get the card, always try to match up the capacity. So you don't want to have a 512 and a 256 or 256 and a 128 or whatever it is. Try to match them up. You don't have to, but maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just the only way. And there are other cards out there. I love the SanDisk. They've been around forever, okay? But guys, yeah, it's just such a lightweight, just a fun camera. I got the small rig handle, so if I'm walking around, I can do this, Yeah, it doesn't weigh a whole lot, I can pretty much take this like to an amusement park and pretty much get some nice video with my GoPro, get some nice stills with the camera. But yeah, guys, I just love this setup. By the way, so with my GoPro, all I gotta do is come over here, turn it on, and I have this microphone. This one here is for me, and then the one in the front, of course, would be either I would just leave it on here, or I might give it to whoever is out with me, just some sound or anything like that. I may turn it on and just leave it on the camera, but this one is pretty much, locked on there. I don't have to worry about taking it off. So when I'm walking around, I can just have it just like this, and it's picking me up, it's not that far. It's able to pick me up. So guys, that is it. Please let me know what you think about my Nikon Z7 II. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Yo, yo, yo.